All right, so I'm not a Wall Street guy. I don't come from the Harvard Business School class or anything like that. I just worked for a living. I got dirty for a living back when I was 18 out of school, hated school basically. Ended up in the Army, ended up in Special Forces, was in Green Berets, and then came back from Vietnam and felt like I was really an outsider in my own country. And I basically dropped out, went down to the Grand Canyon and got hired as a river guide in the Grand Canyon, run whitewater trips for 2 weeks at a time. And I stayed down there doing that for 10 years. And honestly, I'd probably still be there if it wasn't for a group of Outward Bound trustees, a bunch of rich guys. And I nearly drowned in a rapid down there. And one of them took me under his wing and said, look, I learned how to do this and came from nothing. And I'm gonna teach you how to do it as well if you'll just give me a chance. And I thought, there's no way. I mean, I make $4,000 a year, man. I'm not gonna learn to be an investor, okay? But that winter, freezing in my car up in Flagstaff, Arizona, I decided I'd go out to California and take him up on an offer of a free place to stay. And he convinced me that I should try to do this investing. I ended up apprenticing to him for a year and basically worked hard, worked for nothing, cleaned toilets, swept floors, did all that apprentice stuff, and learned this method of investing that comes down from Warren Buffett that we call Rule 1 investing, the best investing strategy in the world. And starting with literally just a little bit of money, I ended up becoming a millionaire in 5 years. And you can do it too.